In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Smartsheet effectively and make the most out of its versatile features. Whether you're managing a project for work or simply organizing tasks at home, Smartsheet offers a robust platform that can truly help you keep everything streamlined. So, let's dive right in and walk you through the steps needed to make this tool work for you as efficiently as possible. The first step in this journey is to log into your account at smartsheet.com. This will serve as your main gateway to accessing all your sheets and making any necessary adjustments. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate over to either your Home or Browse tab. This area will allow you to see and select the specific sheet you wish to edit, creating a user-friendly experience when you're locating and accessing your documents. Once you're inside the selected sheet, editing becomes straightforward. You simply click on any cell you'd like to change and start typing away those task names, notes, or any other project details you need to add. If your project layout includes drop-down menus within any cells, you're in luck. You can select from these drop-down options to maintain a consistent and efficient workflow, especially beneficial for predefined categories or statuses. Plus, when your columns are configured as date fields or checkboxes, intuitive date picker options or toggle switches are available to ensure that your data remains accurate and clear. Now, there might be times when you find there's a need to tweak more than just the content within the cells. Thankfully, Smartsheet offers additional control over your column settings. You can right-click on a column header and select Edit Column Properties. Here, you can change the column name or type and add or remove any drop-down options if needed. This customization gives you the flexibility to tailor your sheet exactly to your needs. As you work on managing the rows, adding a new row is quite simple. Just right-click on the number of any row, and you can insert a row either above or below it. Likewise, if you find a row needs deleting, you can just right-click on its number and select Delete Row. The same principles apply to managing your columns. Insert columns by right-clicking on the header and choosing to insert either to the left or right, and delete them in the same way. For those of you organizing tasks hierarchically, the indent or outdent buttons in the toolbar can help you create effective subtask structures. If you need to add notes or attachments to any row, you simply click the small comment icon or the paperclip icon, respectively. This enables detailed documentation and tracking within your sheet. Lastly, if you're looking to streamline your workflow even further, explore the automation feature by clicking on the automation button to edit rules. This can significantly boost your productivity by automating repetitive tasks. And remember, Smartsheet auto-saves your work as you progress, so you don't have to worry about saving manually. With these steps, you're all set to edit and manage your Smartsheet projects like a pro. Happy organizing!